Hi, Dr. Jo Messenger here. Thanks for tuning in. Anger is a natural emotion that can be triggered by a variety of situations. It can be caused by feeling frustrated, powerlessness, hurt, being scared, threatened, or witnessing an injustice. Anger can also be a reaction to physical or emotional pain. It can be triggered by feeling overwhelmed, disrespected, betrayed, or wronged in some way. And it can even be caused by feeling powerless, like when you're unable to do the things that you want to do. Everyone has their own unique triggers, which can include external factors such as the environment or situations with other people, or internal factors such as your own thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. So what triggers your anger? Because unpacking your anger and identifying what fear, emotion, situation, or pain is underneath it, or is being masked by it, can help you to deal with it faster and more elegantly. So 5 tips on how to overcome anger. So take time out. When you start to feel angry, take a few deep breaths and give yourself some time and space to cool off. Talk it out. Talk to someone you trust about what's making you angry. Verbalizing your feelings can help you to gain perspective on the situation. Reframe your thoughts. Take a few minutes to think of a different way to look at the situation. Instead of focusing on the negative, look for something positive. Look for meaning in the situation. Exercise. Physical activity can help reduce your stress levels and help clear your head. Find an outlet. Find an outlet to release your anger that is healthy and constructive. Writing or drawing can be helpful. Exercise can be helpful. And so can talking to a therapist or joining a support group, as long as it's not a regurgitate, the same old group. 6. And there's a bonus important tip. So contemplate why you're angry and resolve that issue. If that's a social or community anger that's shared, then it would also help others for you to resolve the root causes and the underlying issues to restore a sense of justice. If you get anything out of my videos, please remember to boop and like the subscribe buttons so that others can share in the benefits too.